I should act like I'm kissing a guy. Oh, look at these! Oh my god! They are beautiful.
Is it spiky?
They are stunning. OMG. Look at the little butterflies. You see them playing around.
And the bee's chasing it.
Really, the bee's chasing
Yeah,
it?
did you see it? Oh, no.
No, they're both of the same.
No, though it was. See, look at the little
This
bee.
is so gorge.
So gorge.
I'm taking a video, Jaquay. I'm taking a video. Look at that one, this little spiky white one.
Oh, yeah, it's very cool.
The weather is just perfect. It's a video. If it gets blurry like this, look, watch. You see how it gets blurry like that? You just change this around like that till it focuses, okay?
So is it like blurry right now? Oh, wow. Look at that. We're at the Getty Museum. I mean, Getty Center. These are beautiful. Oh! These orange ones are so cute too. Oh, look, they're pomegranates. Wow. Oh, that's nice. Look how they start out. Look, you should film it.
That is so beautiful. Look, these are the baby ones. You have to go like that. Is it focusing?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Yeah, look at that. That's so pretty.
And this one already died. That would be us in 80 years.
No way. You see how you kind of have to go like that?
Wow, look. Looks like a corn. Like when
It smells like fruit.
Oh, come over here. What if I just, I was like backing up and I just stripped over? I'm sure
It'll be cool for
I'm sure
video.
that's happened before.
No
and
way.
It's cool if you caught it on tape.
Just do it.
Oh.
Action.
I don't want to even act it out because what if it actually happens? Let me film it.
That is so pretty. Let's go around the other way.
Yeah. But if that's so, they won't get that hurt.
I don't think so, yeah. But it'd still be embarrassing.
Yeah.
Look how pretty these red flowers are. Look at the little tiny ones. They look like little bugs or something. Oh. These are beautiful. Look at that purple one. Stunning. What do you think this adds to it? I don't get it.
Maybe you have to like shoot through the diamond and it's probably
Right.
I agree. It kind of does create like the focus camera. Oh, that's cool.
What happened?
It's their Wi-Fi.
It's for free?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the bee. Oh, wow. That's so beautiful. Look, Jaquay.
Oh, and it's all by itself.
Yeah. Do you see it?
Yeah, I get it with the bee.
I'm getting it.
Oh, you're recording
I am
it.
so close to it.
What if it just stung you?
It would suck. Wow. Did it leave?
No.
That is unbelievable.